You guys see this? Yes, this is our brand new pool we had a few days ago when it should be outside and it's inside all rolled up. And I'll show you guys what else we have. You see all this stuff right here?
Yes.
Yes, it should be outside in the pool. Everything is clean, dry. Everything's still all packed up days after we got our pool. I'll show you guys why. Guys, so I have some really bad news. I was so excited to put up our new 15 by 33 Intex pool. Oh, this is so crazy. So we put the thing up. We tried leveling the grass a little bit. And when we filled it up about halfway, our pool collapsed, you guys. Like, it just, all this water just went everywhere. So I am happy that it did collapse when our kids were not in the pool, because that would not have been safe. But yeah, I had really high hopes for this pool, and it's not the pool, it's actually just our yard. It's just not level, and it takes a lot of work to actually try and level your yard out. So I'm not sure if we're willing to do that for $120 pool, to actually go and like dig up our grass and use sand and all that crazy stuff. You know, it's a lot of work. I mean, we were out here for days. I wanted to actually do a video just to show you guys, you know, how everything was looking. It was doing so well, and then it got to one point and my husband went to kind of shift the pool a little bit, and it just totally collapsed. So we have to get something else, and my poor 7-year-old son is so disappointed, because he was really looking forward to this, and so was I. You know, it's a nice size where we could all actually fit in here and kind of play around. I bought so many pool toys, even from my last video. You know, I only bought a few things, but I was so excited. I went back out and bought so much more and can't even use it. I mean, I have so much stuff. A skimmer. I was going to buy a new filter because they said that the one that came with it wasn't the greatest, and they recommended another kind of upgraded one. I was going to get that. My shock came, and water clarifier, all that stuff I was reading up on, and I can't even use it. So I think, because, you know, like, we want to have some fun outside. Like I said, we've only been in our home for about 8 months, and this is our very first summer here. So we kind of want to take advantage of our new backyard. So right now I'm going to kind of send some of this stuff back. I didn't even open up some of the items I purchased. They're still in the package. So I'm going to try and ship whatever I can back, and we're going to look for other options. So right now, I mean, I don't even know what to do at this point. But I just want to let you guys know that it was a complete fail, and I'm so hurt by it, but we'll find something new, and I'm sure that we will find something that the kids will enjoy as well. And alright guys, I'll talk to you next one. Stay tuned to see what we get in place of our Intex 15 by 33 pool that did collapse because our yard is not leveled. Alright guys, I'll talk to you next one. Take care.